Hello, welcome back. This is Mary from Around the Craft Room. Well, today I have a organizing tip for you, but I wanted to show you that we're all different kinds of crafters, and I use a lot of small pieces of scrap paper to stamp out these dresses or things like that for this girl. So, or maybe I will need something to stamp out some little sentiments, just a scrap of paper. I could also do some small scraps to do a die cut for this girl. And maybe I will go and put this on a tag or a note. Maybe I'll just do it on a note card, or maybe I just need a small scrap of paper for this note stamp. There might be making cards or making note cards. And look at these note cards that I've made in the past, and I've used small little pieces of paper for those. And sometimes you might just need a little piece of brown paper for the dog, or you might just need a little pink paper like that. These were made from the Sizzix Advent Calendar dies from 2025. Or maybe I just need a little tiny pieces of paper for these little eyes like this, or a little yellow for that lemon there. These dies were from this Advent Calendar 2024, and I'm just needing to organize all my little pieces of paper. So this is how I've decided to do it. I got this binder here, and this is a organizer for, I believe, coupons is what it says on Amazon. I will leave the link below for this and anything else that I've used in this video. So yeah, you're like, well, this is nice, but then you lose all your little scraps of paper in there, and it's kind of hard to dig down through there and get out these little paper. Of course, I've already got mine labeled for the colors. Well, here's what I do. I get these envelopes, which are a nice size envelope, and they are measure about, looks like about 4.5 by 9. And I've already cut the top off of them because I don't need the flap on there. And then I will put them in this organizer, and they just fit. They just fit in here like this. So I will take and put them in here like this. And yeah, I got mine a little fat, but I need to use up some of my scraps. But you don't have to dig through it like that to get out the color. So if you want a shade of blue, you just take the envelope out and take it to your desk, and then open it up and find out the shade of blue that you want like that. So that's how I organize my paper. I would love to hear if you've got any other tips on how to organize your scraps. And if you use this idea, please leave me a thumbs up. And I'm also going to get another one and use it for my smaller pieces of pattern paper, because again, like I said, I just needed an apron for that girl, and so I need to organize the small pattern paper like that too. So I'd love to hear from you, and leave me any comments on how you organize your small scraps of paper. Thanks for watching. Bye.